In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Insurgency Sandstorm VR. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Insurgency Sandstorm does not have a standalone VR game, so while it is still possible for you to do virtual reality in Insurgency Sandstorm, this isn't going to be done by purchasing a different version of the game. Instead, you will have to install a mod. Something that I need to make very clear is that this is only going to work for single player, so you will not be able to do online multiplayer in VR. With this warning out of the way, all that you have to do is visit this website, uevr.io, also known as Unreal Engine VR. In here, you will be able to download this tool that allows you to run many games, including Insurgency Sandstorm in virtual reality. So first, click on GitHub at the top. You will be able to get the release over here at the right side of the screen. So click on download, stable release, and follow the instructions here to get it installed. But basically, you just have to scroll down and download the zip file here. With this downloaded, the next thing to do is to go back and join the Flat2VR Discord. So as you can see at the top of the screen on the website, you will be able to join this Discord server, and after you join, you have to go over to this channel here. Under Unreal Engine VR, you can find UE Games, and then by looking for Insurgency, you will be able to join the discussion. So as you can see, this is where you will be able to download the necessary files. The first thing that you have to do here is click on these little three dots, go over to Pins, and you will be able to see the pinned messages. In here, there is a very important video that you should watch because it's going to help you set up Easy Anti-Cheat. You actually need to disable Easy Anti-Cheat. To do this, follow the video at the top of this thread and you will be able to create a new shortcut. As you can see, you just have to disable it by inputting that specific line under the shortcut. And afterwards, download the zip file available here. Once you download the Insurgency client pinned zip file, you will be good to go. Open UEVR and input the zip file that you downloaded. Make sure that you run Insurgency Sandstorm through the new shortcut that you created with Easy Anti-Cheat disabled, and now whenever you join a single player game, you will be able to get this process done and enjoy VR. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Insurgency Sandstorm VR. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.